Little video of exactly what I'm doing here. This last connector, I pretty much got it completely rewired. I actually had to forge a whole new wire because this one was too short to rewire. Anyway, I'll get off track. I got one last wire to pull out here. So what I'll do is to depin this. I have my little depinning tool. Just put it in there. Heard the little snap, so I can probably just push it through. Yep. There we go. And before I snip this up, you can see the wire is kind of dirty. So I'll get some purple power on a rag. Just clean it up. So that way I can make out the color coding perfectly. There we go. Now I can clearly see that that is green-red. I got the old end here. I'll just give that a old snipperoo. Now I got my lazy auto strip plier thingies. Probably not quite enough. Give it a little tiny bit more. There we go. Let's see. Get a spade and check it out. Hold on, just making sure I get the right ones. Okay. Let's not knock my phone over. So I want the insulation to be in that first notch there, and the actual wire to be in the second notch. And that's good. That's pretty much the perfect amount of wire. Maybe strip a tiny amount more. But I mean, I'm just being really stupidly. There. I'm gonna twist those wires together. There we go. And what I like to do, I'll take a small amount of dielectric grease. I actually put it on the inside here. A small amount of dielectric grease in there. And now, got my not auto strip things. These are the auto crimpers. Just put in my little auto crimp tool. Very good. Squeeze it again on the next size down to really give it a good crimp. Yeah, good crimp. And then what I'm gonna do, before I put that in, get a little tug. Yeah, that's good. I'll take my little dielectric grease brush. Oop. Get rid of that. And brush it up. Now, we're ready to insert. This is the cluster. Make sure I'm putting it into the right slot. Yep. Should hear a little snap. Yep. There we go.